Affordable Classics here in Gladstone, Oregon. Here is a gorgeous 63 Pontiac Grand Prix. As you could tell, the grille nicely chromed, lights, headlight bezels, grille. The stainless is in excellent condition. Original hubcaps, remote mirrors that works from the inside. The body lines are very straight. Has a couple of, let me show you, a couple little touch up. Has a little, it needs to be touched up there a little bit. This is a one owner Pontiac Grand Prix. Very nice. Pacific Wonderland plates here again. Rear chrome bumper, excellent with the rear backup lights. Has a little flaw there. The body lines are just straight on. Original door panels. Interior dash, no cracks, no issues. Beautiful console. The seats, they look very nice. Has speakers in the back. Also control from the inside. All the glass, all the stainless. This is a matching number 389, 3-speed automatic, power steering. It's the data plate that tells you everything. Here's the controller for the remote mirror outside. Data plate. The steering wheel is just like brand new. It has no cracks, no issues. The dash, the wood grain. Console. Nice tax. It shows 69,000 miles. It looks to be. Everything works.
4 to third,
the radio works.
earned.
The pack. The only thing that doesn't work is the clock. The headliner. Very nice. There's the trunk. Very nice. Lights. Trunk light works. Very nicely done. The rubber. It shuts very nice. The best part. Turnkey car. Hey, see ya!